Okay, good morning. Happy Friday. Wilfred and Emerson have birthdays on 9/28. They share them, so happy birthday to both you guys. Steve Symbolista, he got our 5-star review last week, so thank you very much for that, Steve. Then we had, you guys probably have heard about Yale Park, the apartment complex that we used to collect the rents for. We never really managed it, but I wanted to just mention this, that earlier this year we had a discussion about who we were. We created a mission, vision, and values statements. So we really got a better understanding of the company that we wanted to be. And as it turns out, that kind of a company that we wanted to be didn't necessarily reconcile with the kind of property that Yale Park was. So what we ended up doing there in deciding or defining who we were and making it harder for us to manage those kinds of companies turned out to be, I put it this way, can you imagine if we were managing Yale Park right now, how much of a blemish that would have been on our reputation? And it probably would have been hard to come back from. So my only point with this is that the mission, vision, and values, and when we decided who we were, it made it so much easier for us to decide that that wasn't the right account, let the account go, and we are better off for it. I mean, that's an extreme case. It was a humanitarian issue, apparently, as the press is saying, and the mayor is involved in it. So dodged a bullet in a way, but it was just a result of us knowing who we want to be and making larger steps to get there. Last week we had 201 service issues. We had 21 of those preventative and 42 of those were projects. Vacancy didn't move much, still 9 something. Changeover last year, actually it's down 4.77%. Oof. Leases signed, we signed 5. We onboarded 34 tenants total. 755 inbound calls, 575 outbound calls. And so we also got the TOR, which is the tenant onboarding review, down to 0. So, a lot of headway. That's it. Have a great week. Thanks.